In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on WP Engine and WordPress for the year 2025. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll want to head over to wpengine.com. This is the platform where you'll be setting up your web hosting. WP Engine is known for its reliable and user-friendly hosting environment, which is perfect for WordPress websites. Once you're on the WP Engine homepage, log into your dashboard. You'll see a button labeled Add Site. Click on that and then select Create Environment. This is where WP Engine starts to do some of the heavy lifting for you. It automatically installs WordPress, so you don't have to worry about manually downloading and setting it up yourself. This automatic installation is a major time saver and keeps everything streamlined so you can focus on what really matters: building your website. After WordPress is installed, locate the WP Admin button and click on it. This action takes you to your WordPress dashboard. Consider this your control center for managing your website's content and design. Now that you're inside your WordPress dashboard, it's time to think about design. Navigate over to the Appearance section, then click Themes. Here, you have the option to add a new theme. You can choose from WordPress's extensive library of themes or upload one of your own. A good tip is to select a theme that aligns well with your brand and is responsive, meaning it looks great on devices of all sizes. Moving on, we'll enhance your website's functionality by adding plugins. Go to the Plugins section and click Add New. From here, you can install the plugins you need to enhance your site's features. Popular choices include WP Travel Engine for travel-related sites or Contact Form 7 for easy contact form creation. Next, it's time to create the pages your website will need. Head over to the Pages section and click Add New. For a standard website, you might create a home page, an about page, a contact page, and a blog page. These are essential pages to offer your visitors comprehensive and structured content. After your pages are ready, it's customization time under the Appearance section again. Click on Customize to change your site's colors, upload your logo, and set up menus. Customizing your site ensures it reflects your brand's identity and improves user experience. Finally, let's connect your domain. In the WP Engine dashboard, you'll find the Domains section. Click Add Domain to link your domain with your newly created site. The last step in this process is enabling SSL and clicking Publish to make your website live. SSL is important as it secures the data transferred between your site and its visitors, which is critical for both security and SEO. And there you have it. Following these steps will get your website up and running on WP Engine and WordPress, ready to welcome visitors in no time. Thanks for watching and happy site building.